how to view wishlist on Amazon. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you view wishlist on Amazon. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your device. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to type for amazon.com. Alright, so after you type this, you'll be able to view this official site of Amazon from here. So from this homepage, you'll have to tap on your profile icon just at the top right corner. Okay, so from this section you'll have to scroll down and go this section your account. So from here you'll have to tap on this list option. Alright, so from this section you'll be able to see every your list on here, so you can also view your wish list on it. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.